In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently shorten a Microsoft Teams meeting link using Bitly. This simple tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring that you can share clean and concise links with your colleagues or friends. Let's dive right in. First, we want to start by heading over to teams.microsoft.com. Once you're there, you'll need to access your calendar. Just look for the meeting invite that contains the link you'd like to shorten. Open that invite, and within it, you'll find the full Teams meeting link. Highlight this link and copy it to your clipboard. This part is crucial, as having the precise link copied will ensure that the process that follows goes smoothly. Next up, we navigate to Bitly's website, which can be found at https://bitly.com. It's a widely used tool for link shortening, known for its reliability and user-friendly interface. Here, you're presented with an option. You can either sign up for a Bitly account if you're interested in tracking the analytics of your shortened links, or just proceed without logging in, if your needs are simply basic shortening. Either choice works fine for the task at hand. Now, with your Teams meeting link copied and Bitly open, you're ready for the shortening process. Somewhere on the Bitly homepage, you'll find a text box where you can paste your copied link. Paste your Teams meeting link into this box and click on the Shorten button that's located just beside it. In no time, you'll be presented with a brand new, shorter Bitly link. The next step is simple. Copy this new short Bitly link. You can now share it easily without the clutter of a long URL. Throughout this process, keep in mind that the shorter links not only look neat, but can also be easier for people to manage, especially when sharing over text or email. However, for those who have created an account and are logged in, Bitly offers additional features such as link customization, which allows you to edit the slug of your link, making it more recognizable for your audience. To summarize, we started by grabbing our Teams meeting URL from the Microsoft Teams calendar, switched over to Bitly to transform that long link into a neat little package, and voila, now you have a link that's easy to share, with the option to track it if you decide to have a Bitly account. Thank you for tuning in to today's guide on shortening Teams links using Bitly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes sharing your Teams meetings a more streamlined process moving forward. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials like this one, and have a great day.